Welcome to my new video. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Today we are talking about something very interesting, BMW's big step towards perfection in the world of electric vehicles. This is good, and what comes next is really great. BMW has set a high goal, zero failure rate for high-voltage batteries for electric vehicles. Sounds ambitious? Yes, but BMW is seriously investing in making this a reality. Although batteries in modern electric cars rarely cause problems, when they do, replacing them can be very expensive. This can put off many who are thinking about switching to electric. That is why BMW wants to completely eliminate this uncertainty. How do they plan to achieve this? Through a completely new, state-of-the-art battery manufacturing process. Advanced techniques are involved, such as connecting the battery cells to a cooling system, to ensure optimal temperatures during driving. Then there is laser cleaning and welding of the contacts, which increases precision and reduces the possibility of mechanical problems. Finally, a foaming process is used, which additionally protects the battery modules from vibrations, shocks and other external influences. In short, this is not just smart, this is really great engineering. The new vehicles coming from BMW's electric offensive are called Neue Klasse, which signifies a new era. The first model in this series is the new BMW 9.3, followed by even more serious players, the 9.5, 9.7, as well as a fully electric version of the legendary 3 Series. In addition to their attractive design and interior, the technology that powers them is even more important. This new generation of vehicles uses an 800-volt architecture, which means faster charging and less energy loss. In addition, there is the latest inverter technology, which allows for more power, more efficient energy management and a longer range. This is not just evolution, this is a revolution in electric driving. Longer range, more power, and shorter charging times. This is good, but actually, this is great for everyday users. BMW plans to build 5 battery factories on 3 continents, including the USA and Mexico, to ensure stable and local production. This means faster availability, less dependence on external suppliers and control over every detail of production. Smart strategy, right? All in all, BMW doesn't just develop electric cars, they build the entire ecosystem behind them. From the production of batteries, through innovations in cooling and protection systems, all the way to the final models ready for the market, all this is part of a wider vision in which technology and reliability go hand in hand. Elon Musk recently announced that Tesla plans to expand its robotaxi service to the San Francisco Bay Area very soon, in a month or 2, as he put it. This is good news for anyone following the development of autonomous driving, but also for cities that want to reduce traffic congestion and emissions. Tesla has been developing a fully autonomous driving system for a long time, and now we are one step closer to its wider introduction. At this stage, Tesla will use the Model Y, of course, without a driver behind the wheel. However, there is one important condition. All this can only start after all regulatory approvals have been obtained. This is a step that no one can skip, and it ensures that the new technology is introduced safely and gradually. This is good because it puts safety first. Currently, Tesla is already offering test drives in a limited area of Austin, Texas. These drives are not completely unattended. A safety monitor sits in the passenger seat, a person who monitors every movement of the vehicle and can react if necessary. It is a kind of transitional form of autonomous driving, in which the technology is tested in real conditions, but without completely handing over control to the machine. This is great because it allows for development and testing without compromising on safety. While Tesla is developing its system that relies solely on cameras, the competition is not sleeping. There are other companies that deal with autonomous vehicles, and one of them uses a combination of different technologies: cameras, LiDAR, and radar. This multiple combination allows the vehicle to get a wider and more detailed picture of its surroundings, recognize objects in space, estimate distances, and react in real time. Experts in the field of robotics and safety have expressed the opinion that Tesla's approach, which uses only cameras, may not be enough to ensure the complete safety of passengers and other road users. According to some, cameras may have limitations in conditions of poor visibility, such as thick fog, night driving, or sudden obstacles. In such situations, additional sensors such as radar and LiDAR could provide an additional layer of safety. This is a good opportunity for an open discussion. Should we rely on a simpler system, which is faster to implement, or go the route of maximum redundancy and additional layers of protection? However, it should be noted, what Tesla is trying to achieve is no small matter. A fully autonomous vehicle that relies solely on vision, similar to how humans do it, is an extremely ambitious goal. If they succeed, we could be looking at a new era in the development of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems. If you're interested in smart cars, autonomous technology, and safety innovations, stay tuned until the end, because BYD has something that could change the way we look at self-parking cars. BYD has announced that it will cover the repair costs if one of its cars damages another vehicle while using its smart parking feature. And no, customers won't have to pay anything, neither out of pocket nor through insurance. BYD is taking full responsibility. This is good because it gives customers peace of mind, but it also sends a message that the manufacturer believes in its own technology. And that's no small thing in the world of autonomous vehicles. It's all part of their larger autonomous driving system called God's Eye. The name may sound dramatic, but there's some serious technology behind it. The system is designed to allow the vehicle to maneuver through very tight spaces at low speeds, which is especially useful in urban environments where every inch counts. Say, parking between two motorbikes in front of a cafe or against a high curb. That won't be stressful anymore. One of the clever things is that the vehicle can automatically retract the side mirrors when it determines that there is a risk of damage. This is great because such details are often forgotten when the driver parks in a hurry or when there is not enough space. These small features make a big difference in everyday driving. Behind all this is a real race, the race for dominance in the world of autonomous vehicles, especially in the smart parking segment. And while many global and Chinese brands are investing billions in development, BYD is coming out with a ready-made solution that not only works, but also comes with a warranty. This is good because consumers are getting real value, not just promises. But that's not all. BYD's system is getting even smarter. It can now recognize open doors on nearby vehicles, cyclists moving at high speed, as well as various more complex situations on the road that other systems might be confused about. For example, parking on a sloping ramp or recognizing hidden curbs in night conditions. It now works more precisely and safely. This is great because drivers no longer have to worry about whether their vehicle will understand where they are and how they are behaving. An added bonus is that all of this functionality is delivered via OTA updates, meaning you don't have to visit a service center. Just a click and the system updates itself. In this day and age, this is a good practice that saves time and allows users to always be up to date with the latest technology. BYD doesn't want smart features to remain the privilege of luxury models. Their philosophy is clear. Good technology should be available to everyone. And with moves like this, like covering damages in the event of an accident caused by their system, they show that they are serious about that intention. If you want to support me, you can subscribe. Thanks for watching.